Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need a minimum charge. Plug in if under 20%. Once done, unlock the phone and access settings, either from the app list or the quick shade. Navigate to battery or power settings, because that's where the saver lives. Tap the battery saver or low power mode toggle to turn it off now. You're doing this to restore full performance and background activity. Disabling saves CPU throttles, restores network access, and allows apps to run normally again. Once the basic toggle is off, make sure it doesn't come back automatically. Go into the saver scheduling options and disable any time-based or battery percent triggers. Next, check adaptive battery or battery optimization. Set important apps to not optimized so they run in background. You should also whitelist messaging, maps, or fitness apps to receive notifications. Doing this prevents the system from reapplying restrictions that slow syncs or stop background tasks when you need them most. Finish by restarting the device to ensure all power state changes take effect. After the reboot, verify background app refresh and sync are enabled for the apps you rely on. If a specific app still behaves as if saver is on, clear its cache or reinstall it. If problems persist, reboot again into safe mode to isolate third-party interference or reset network settings as a last resort. A single reboot often resolves leftover restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.